In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Booksy BizWeb and make the most out of its features to enhance your business profile. Whether you're just getting started with Booksy or looking to polish up your online presence, this is the perfect guide for you. First things first, head over to Booksy Biz. If you haven't already, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, you're going to see a menu along the left-hand side of the screen. This is your navigation hub. Look for the option labeled Settings and give it a click. This is where all the magic happens, as it's the control center for the appearance and functionality of your account. Inside the settings, you'll find a section called Business Profile or sometimes Business Information depending on your version. Selecting this brings up the core details of how your business is presented online. This is your digital storefront where you'll want to put your best foot forward. Within your business profile, you have the ability to edit and update critical details. Start off by reviewing your business name, logo, and banner photo. These are the very first impressions clients will have of your brand, so ensure they represent your business accurately. Additionally, spend some time crafting or revising your About section or description. This is a fantastic opportunity to share what sets your services apart from the rest. Double check that your address, contact details, and hours of operation are accurate. These are essential for ensuring clients can reach you and know when you're available. Moving on to customizing your services and pricing, you'll want to direct your attention to the Services section in the menu. This area allows you to add new offerings, adjust pricing, set durations, or even rearrange the order of your services. Keep this information up to date to avoid any confusion and to give your clients clear expectations. Next, head over to the Booking Settings area to tailor your website settings. Here, you have the flexibility to turn online booking on or off based on your preferences and operational needs. You can also require deposits or prepayments to secure appointments, adding a level of commitment from your clients. Additionally, you can fine-tune your cancellation and rescheduling policies to suit your business model. Now that you've made all these changes, you're probably curious to see how everything looks from a client's perspective. Simply navigate to the top right corner and click on View Public Page. This will give you a sneak peek at your live booking website, allowing you to see what clients will experience. Finally, don't forget to save your changes before you exit. Saving ensures that all your hard work gets reflected instantly on your live Booksy site. By following these steps, you'll have a polished and professional online presence that accurately reflects your business and its offerings.